Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you all from wherever you are watching me from. And I'm here in the beautiful city of Lagos. I'm here at Sangotedo, precisely here at Zularich Residence Phase 2, here in Sangotedo, Lekki, Aja. This property you're seeing right now is less than 6 minutes drive to the Lekki Expressway. Less than 6 minutes drive to the Lekki Expressway. And it shares fantastic neighborhood with the Novera Mall, Shoprite, and the Diamond Estate, and also shares fantastic neighborhood with Emperor Estate, which is one of the most expensive estates in Lagos. This property you're seeing right now is not just strategically located alone; it comes with a good title, C of O/Governor's Consent. So this property you're seeing is peace of mind, and we have several housing types here at Zularich Residence Phase 2. We have 2-bedroom glass house, we also have 2-bedroom apartments, and we also have 2-bedroom fully detached duplex, and we also have 4-bedroom Terrace duplex. So today is your first time of coming across my channel. I'd like you to please click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we post new videos on this channel. So I'd like you to please follow me and see what we have in there. So please follow me. In fact, just go and see it yourself. Go and see it yourself. Go.
Who go check and make my heart no bleed? Who go hold my hand, guide me well? Intercollins there for you. Them go walk the ground for you. Them go check the truth for you. Make your tomorrow sure for you. Intercollins there for you. Them know they rush your dream at all. Them go guard your hope like gold. Make your feet stand strong for Lagos. Yeah. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. He get land we fine for I. But a title go tell you truth. Plenty people don't cry before. Now why we they hold your hand with proof? We know they chase quick money. Your peace of mind now where we start. Before we talk sell and they sell, we go dig the roots, reach deep for ground. Intercollins there for you. Them go walk the ground for you. Them go check the truth for you. Make your tomorrow sure for you. Intercollins there for you. Them know they rush your dream at all. Them go guard your hope like gold. Make your feet stand strong for Lagos. Your dream no small, your hope no cheap. And this Lagos fit swallow blessing whole. But no worry, we go hold torchlight for your path till you own your land with peace, with joy. Intercollins there for you. Every step we go walk with you. Your tomorrow go shine through. Cause you know they walk this road alone. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Everybody get dream. Everybody want belong somewhere. For this Lagos where they rush, we still they find one place to call home. I don't walk out for this city tired. Story full ground, people still they fear. But I hold small hope within my chest. Say one day I go get my list. Many talk say by land, but now who go show me road way clear? Who go check and make my heart no bleed? Who go hold my hand, guide me well? Intercollins there for you. Them go walk the ground for you. Them go check the truth for you. Make your tomorrow sure for you. Intercollins there for you. Them know they rush your dream at all. Them go guard your hope like gold. Make your feet stand strong for Lagos. Yeah. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. He get land we fine for I. But a title go tell you truth. Plenty people don't cry before. Now why we they hold your hand with proof? We know they chase quick money. Your peace of mind now where we start. Before we talk sell and they sell, we go dig the roots, reach deep for ground. Intercollins there for you. Them go walk the ground for you. Them go check the truth for you. Make your tomorrow sure for you. Intercollins there for you. Them know they rush your dream at all. Them go guard your hope like gold. Make your feet stand strong for Lagos. Your dream no small, your hope no cheap. And this Lagos fit swallow person hope. But no worry, we go hold torchlight for your path till you own your land with peace, with joy. Intercollins there for you. Every step we go walk with you. Your tomorrow go shine through. Cause you know they walk this road alone. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Intercollins there for you. Everybody get dream. Everybody want belong somewhere. For this Lagos where they rush, we still dey find one place to call home. I don't waka for this city tire. Story full ground, people still dey fear. But I hold small hope within my chest. Say one day I go get my list. Many talk say by land